Hi guys! Today we are making
fluffy pancakes, but first we have to change. So today we have a flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, sugar, butter, 1 egg, and some milk.
So we're gonna mix all this up
And make fluffy pancakes.
Okay, throw it up. Wait, the dry. And then we mix up all the wet, right? Okay. Okay, girl, mix it a bit. Okay. So we put the egg right there. Okay. And put the vanilla. Mix it well. Mix, mix, mix. And the butter. Okay. Wet and dry. So now we're gonna combine wet and dry. Okay. And mix it really well. So Eva's gonna mix that. Mix it. Okay. There's more lumps. Make sure there's no lumps. Mix it well. So that's the mixture. We're gonna leave it for about 5 minutes inside the fridge.
And you melt it. You let it melt. You swing it around all over. All over the pan.
It's ready.
When it's bubbling, you should flip it over. So both sides are cooked.
There you go.
And then you can see a beautiful pancake.
Then we'll get a plate.
And serve it. And you just grab your plate and put the pancake on it. Ta-da! And this is a fluffy pancake.
There you go. So I'm putting our last pancake. How many, Eva? This is the sixth one? 6?
Yes.
So we made 6 pancakes for this batter.
And this is how they turned out. Ta-da! Hi, I'm back. This is our fluffy pancakes. It's time to eat. Goodbye. Bye.
Let's go.
Today we're gonna make beep. Time it.
You time it, Eva.
1,